Who's looking for the perfect self-care gift that doesn't break the bank? Something that feels high-end, looks good in your space, and actually does what it says. Well, today we're reviewing one that might check all those boxes. The Mazzup MU-C311, part of their 3 series, what they call affordable luxury. And honestly, after testing it, that tagline makes sense. Sleek, simple, and one of the easiest chairs to move and live with that I've reviewed so far. Hi, I'm Dr. Justin Lin, physical therapist and chronic pain specialist at Rehab and Revive. As a physical therapist, I believe that massage chairs can be an excellent way to ease tension and restore balance at home, especially when you can find one that fits your body and budget. And I'll be honest, I've tested a lot of zero-gravity massage chairs at this point. Although this chair was sent to us and Mazzup is sponsoring this video, my duty to you is always to give an honest, unfiltered, professional opinion. If you like what you see, there's a promo code in the descriptions below that will save you more than the advertised price. So let's jump right into it. The C311 doesn't try to overwhelm you with the bells and whistles. It just gets the job done. It hits the big areas: neck, shoulders, upper and lower back, hip, thighs, and yes, even a solid foot roller. It offers 4 reclining positions, what they call the initial step, the reclining step, the comfort step, and the deep step. Each step takes you a little deeper into relaxation. And when you hit that final zero gravity position, you'll feel that weightless, evenly distributed support from head to toe. Let's talk about the benefits of zero gravity for a second, because it's not just a buzzword. When your body is reclined in this position, the pressure through your joints and spine is distributed evenly. That means less tension, less inflammation, and often less pain. Now, will this cure degenerative spine disease? Probably not. But if you can relax, breathe deeper, and improve your circulation, you're setting the stage for healing and better recovery. As always, I judge every product using my 5 professional factors in order of importance: durability, reliability, quality, value, and reputation brand visibility. Durability. I haven't had this chair long, but Mazzup's track record from the parent company gives me confidence. Their manufacturing background since 1996 shows consistency and solid engineering. Reliability. So far, there's no glitches, no weird noises, and it performs exactly as expected. This feels like a well-assembled piece of equipment. Quality. The frame feels sturdy, the vegan leather is soft, and it heats up fast, which is a nice touch. Value. Here's where this chair shines. It's about $500 to $600 less than many others in its category, but it doesn't feel like a budget model. I call it a smart premium. You get essential comfort and performance without paying for luxury extras you may not even use. Reputation and brand visibility. Mazzup's presence is still growing, but customer feedback is strong. There is close to 200 reviews and an average of 4.3 out of 5 stars on Amazon. Users praise its reliability, comfort, and easy setup. Some mention the rollers can feel intense, but to me, that's better than a weak massage. Here are my initial impressions. Setup was a breeze. It arrived fully assembled in about 5 to 6 business days. A couple of zippers, you plug it in, snap on a remote, and you're ready to go. One of the things I really liked is the mobility. This is one of the easiest chairs to move that I tested. The wheels are smartly placed and the weight is manageable. And the compact footprint means it's perfect for smaller homes or apartments. It's quiet, compact, and intuitive. You'll figure it out in minutes. I would add that this one gets the hottest of any massage chair we've ever reviewed. So if people like the heating function, this one is the best so far. Features that stand out. There's 10 carefully positioned fixed massage heads. These cover your major massage groups with precision. There's 3D air compressions for the calves and lumbar spine. There's 20 automatic massage modes, including shiatsu and kneading. There's Bluetooth speakers and dual control panels. There's a wider seat, about 2 inches more than most chairs, which I personally appreciate as someone with broader shoulders. The footrest extends up to 7 inches more and fits users up to 6'3" and 280 pounds. That's solid versatility for a chair in this price range. Now here's some constructive feedback because nothing's ever perfect. The button layout is in the outer armrest. I'll be honest, it's confusing. I'm not sure why they're there or how practical they are since your arms are pinned in the airbags during a massage. I also can't read or memorize the label buttons and have to guess what I'm hitting, so I have no clue what I'm reaching for. These buttons don't light up, so if you are in low light setting, you may not see what you're pressing. It's not a deal breaker, but I'd love to see Mazzup streamlight or relocate those controls for easier access. Other than that, the overall experience has been smooth, comfortable, and surprisingly robust for this price point. So there you have it, the Mazzup C311. Sleek, easy to live with, and a great example of what affordable luxury can look like when it's done right. If you want something that's a premium in performance without the luxury price tag, this one deserves a serious look. Check the promo code in the descriptions. You'll save an extra on top of any current sale. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Questions, thoughts, or if you tried this chair yourself. Please like, subscribe. Your support really helps us keep bringing you smarter health insights. I'm Dr. Lin, and remember, we heal smarter.